How to change date of birth on Facebook. So go ahead and open the Facebook application. Once you are in the home page, click on the menu icon on the lower right corner of the screen. Now in here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and among these additional menus, select Settings. Now once you're in the settings page, scroll down till you see Audience and Visibility. Tap on Profile Information. This will bring up certain information of your profile such as work, education, contact information, and the like. Scroll down in here till you see the Basic Info tab. Below that is the gender and the birth date, so tap on Edit, highlighted in blue. From here, you can now change your birthday and birth year. After editing, simply tap on Save, and your birth date should now be changed. So that is how to change date of birth on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.